Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing. This is for my Sephora play. This is for the month of May. The time is just flying, y'all. It's so crazy. Yes, this is my May box. So first, they always send one of these flyers. This one says beauty goals now and then. We can quickly go over it. Then mask minimalist, now mask maximalist. The next one is play mail day. Then checking mail, no schedule. Now camping out, waiting for the mail. That's totally me. Liquid eyeliner. Then 10 minutes and how many wipes later. That's still me. I had tried creating this look. Now crushed it. 2 minutes first try. Complexion. Then foundation at 3 p.m. Perfection. Now primer and foundation at 3 p.m. Playdates. Then makes friends and learns about beauty. Now is BFFs with all beauty advisors. Fragrance. Then one and done. Now a blend for every mood. Play pass. Then what do I do with this? Now more samples for my collection. So that's pretty awesome. And then on the back it has a list of the products. Here's the bag for this month. Kind of looks like a blue jean denim. Play by Sephora. So let's go ahead and just reach in here. The first thing is the Pore Professional. This is actually my second one that I've received. I've received one of these in, I'm pretty sure, my Sephora play. An oil-free priming balm that minimizes the looks of pores and controls shine all day. Why it's a classic. This translucent balm minimizes the look of pores and gives you that coveted shine-free complexion. You'll have a fresh face from AM to PM. Plus it contains a vitamin E derivative to protect you from sun-damaging free radicals. And then it says how to use. So this is super tiny, y'all. Look at that. It's so cute. Probably get a couple uses out of that for the look. A couple of uses for a look before it's gone. So the next thing in here, ooh, another fragrance. Eau de Parfum Vaporesateur Natural Spray. VNR Victor and Rolf. It's called It's the Bomb Flower Bomb. This warm and spicy fragrance is like a bouquet of sweet flowers mixed with deep woody notes. About the brand, Victor and Rolf is a fashion house founded by Dutch designers Victor Horstein and Rolf Snoreen. The brand specialized in conceptual designs, unusual fabrics, and avant-garde silhouettes. Meet the blend, fragrance family, warm and spicy. Top notes is jasmine. Middle notes orange blossom, and the base note is patchouli. Ooh, my mom is gonna like this. She loves patchouli. Patchouli actually reminds me of her, so let's go ahead and just spray the box. Very light, not overpowering at all. A little bit of florally, fruity, florally, and I'm not really getting the patchouli. Maybe it's like an afternote, so I actually like that. But I give my mom all my lady perfume samples, so she'll be really happy with this. Plus I have another one from my Birchbox, so she'll be looking forward to that. The next thing in here is by Bumble and Bumble. unrivaled volume, thickening volume hairspray. She'll love this as well. A setting spray that extends your style, lifts at the root, and adds major volume. Why it's a classic. No matter your hair type, this versatile spray is the perfect way to start or finish any do's. Its unique formula adds volume and keeps your strands in place all night long without compromising that touchable texture. And then it says how to use. Actually, it reminds me of Smarties. It might be a mix of this and this. So that's really awesome. Pre-styler. That'll be pretty cool. I might give it a try or two. My nose is so red. Okay, let's see what else is in here. The next thing I see is the Sephora. It says definition of detox. Mud mask purifying and mattifying. It actually smells like a flower. Got a little on my nose. Detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. Why it's a classic. This highly effective mask uses minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum, which reduces the appearance of blemishes without over drying. It leaves the skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus, watching it change colors is so satisfying. So I'm assuming it changes color. Probably dries a little darker, or light actually. I think it dries light. Yeah, that's probably what it is. So that's 4 things out of here. And there's 2 left. Oh, awesome. We got this little tiny sampler of Kat Von D's tattoo liner in Trooper. A waterproof liquid liner with a superfine brush tip that goes on smooth. Sorry guys, I'm trying to read this. Why it's a classic. This satiny, smudge-proof liquid liner is a legend because of its tattoo needle-inspired tip that creates crisp, skip-free lines every time. Plus, its buildable, quick dry formula provides major pigment payoff. I've actually tried this. I have one of the full size here, and it doesn't say the prices, but this was $20. And this is about half the size. A little smaller than half. So that's really awesome for travel. I love the little flowers on there, if you can see them. Okay, so the last thing I was really excited about, because there's so much rave about this year, or the beginning of the year, and plus last year, and this is the Becca Best in Glow Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. Yes. And I was a little disappointed because it was broken, but I kind of pushed it back together. So let's go ahead and go here. Look at that. Instant. Bam. Actually, let's go ahead and... I have some of Kat Von D's electrifying glitter on now. But this... Wow, look at that. Gives it major super pop. Ooh, dang. One of the reasons why I highlight here is to take the emphasis off my wrinkles. Look at that. Wow. Let's try to do a little under here. Nice. Guys. Oh, girls. Yes. Loving it. So that's it for this month's Sephora Play Box. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading every single one of your comments, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget, if you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned, and I'll post it as soon as I'm done with my unboxing and videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Sending my love and light to all y'all. Bye.